at. So you said that you didn't see the train, so we're back again. Yesterday we didn't take the mobile, that's why. Ask this man, he didn't take it. I also told him to take it, he didn't.
Yeah.
Let's go and to the overbridge. We're almost there. So, we're almost there. You can see that place, the white thing. So we're almost there. See that giant thing to play in. But now at morning, that gate just gets closed. Even at night it gets closed. Now we're not even almost there. We need to just walk a little bit more. The train, I think it's almost gonna arrive.
Is it all?
No.
It hasn't come yet. The train hasn't arrived yet.
But it's okay. We can still talk till then.
Huh? What kind of smell is it? Smells like some animal's dead body. People dump the animal body here. They don't have any other place to do that. And then it takes days for it to kind of stop smelling and bothering people. It takes days.
Now we're almost there, guys, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
See that? We're almost there.
Outdoors have started going crazy.
Yes, because also starts at 7 o'clock.
Or even before that.
Oh yes, it also starts at...
There's the train. There's the one that's coming. So which way are we going to go to see that?
that side.
This side. Oh, there's a train with a light in its front.
Okay guys, so here we go. Want to see it? You have a light low train.
Let's kind of enlarge it. Does it appear to be close to us?
Yes, now.
Let me do it. Here's the train.
Can I show it to it now?
Okay, I don't know if... Oh, here is the train, yeah.
Can I show it now?
Yeah, it's coming. Now it's time to show it.
Look guys,
Whoa, whoa.
this is a very big train. It is a long train. Look, it's almost going to be finished. Look how many bucks it has. It has even more than how much you saw last year. And the train is gone.
It was so quick, wasn't it? How
Yes,
long did it take for it to disappear?
3
It
minutes.
didn't take even a minute for it to go. I don't think it'll take a minute for it to kind of reach to that station
Yes.
where it has to stop.
So guys, so now we're gonna go even further than this one, but still you can see the views from up here. Look at the views.
What kind of view is that? Let me kind of make it small so everything would come in the camera.
This mobile doesn't stay for long.
Alright, so
Look at that tree. You see that tree?